Hello guys, today we're gonna be building this portfolio project right here. I have everything prepared. I have the pictures and the icons, so we can start. So let's just create a new project here. Open that in VS Code. We're gonna create index HTML first. We're gonna use style.scss. And we're also gonna add an image folder. Like I said, I already prepared the pictures here, so I'll download that first. Let's see what this is. So let's get all these first. Not copy, save. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're just gonna grab these pictures that we're gonna use. Alright, let's see what next. Let's grab some nice font, maybe this thing. Can customize this. So we're gonna get that. Let's go to our index. Add the font. Then we need another link, which is gonna be, find it, font awesome city. So we can use icons, and at the end we can link our CSS. Okay, that's done. So like I said, this is the project we're gonna be working on. So let's open this with live server first. Right? Let's put it here. I don't see it. There should be a watch Scss here. There it is. Let's do that real fast. And then before we start, I already grabbed the colors, so I'm gonna do that here. And also let's add these. And I'm gonna put my font here because we're gonna use it for everything. So let's add the colors first. So these are all the colors we're gonna use in this project. Alright, let's start. So we need an app first. Let's make an app. So our logo is only gonna have like an H2 here. So that's our map. Let's add a global styling for the container. We're gonna be using this container in the whole website, so that's why we're making a default style for it here, so we can use it everywhere. Then let's see, do we have a Right, so we need some padding. Be a bit more space, and we also need more padding. Yeah, this nav is really big, so something like that, I guess. And then they will have some kind of hover, so let's do. How did I name the color? Light blue. This might be too much. Oh, it's good. So now we can switch to our main page. The nav is done. Go main here. So let's see, we're gonna have an image, some text. So just copy the text from here. So our image, let me see, avatar, I think it's this one. And then the rating is gonna have 2 divs and an icon because we're gonna have some lines. We need a full star, this one. Let's go back to this. So we're gonna have a line with 2 times, and then in between them we're gonna have an icon. And you'll see why in a bit. So let's go here. Let's do 50 for now. I'm not sure how long this is gonna be. Alright, so okay, so this is gonna be like 7, and then we're gonna do flex. So what else do we need? Let me see. What style of the lines as well? What's some? Actually, I don't need it. This should already work. I think it's because of the size of this thing. That's already centered, as you can see. So we don't need to use like 4 extra lines for the same thing. So the picture here is gonna be bigger. I'm not sure how. Around there, I think. So what's next? We have an H1 and then we have the rating. Since everything is blue here, we're not gonna be adding this, we're gonna add color here. Sorry, white. So let's see, H1. So that's gonna have some margin. Then here, now we have the rating and 2 divs with a class of line. So we can make this thing. I'll do that in a bit. So let's see, where is that rating line? So something like this, and then I'm gonna make my star a bit bigger too. I think that's gonna be enough. Something like that. And then we can either use, so let's see where this is, line, and then the icon is here. A bit of margin for left and right. So we got that. And then for the H3, I'm pretty sure that's inside the container. So that goes here. Oh, I need to make this a bit bigger. Hope you guys don't mind this, because I'm doing this on top of my head. I don't have anything prepared for the tutorials. So I hope you don't mind that. So let's see, they don't have any hover or anything. That's the first stage. It's a bit bigger, this thing here. It's 280. So yeah, that's our main page. So now we can start making the portfolio page. Let's make that. Let's see, what do we need here? We'll look here. So we're gonna have a section. So inside our title, we're gonna have, what did we use here? Let me see, for this H1. So let's do H1. And then we're also gonna use these lines. And then the icon. So instead of this, because we have line again, we're just gonna be removing this from here. Quick. can probably do that with rating as well, but let's make a global line. So we're gonna have it everywhere. We're just gonna change the colors of it here. Okay, let's go back to this. So we got, okay, this is portfolio. Then what do we need? Card wrap. I have 6 cards here. And each of them only has a picture. So we're gonna do that here. Just some padding. Alright. Let's go with this. Title, then we have the rating and the line. It has this border. Just gonna make it a different color. And everything here is gonna be different color. I think that's the, actually it's probably dark blue. That's dark blue. So we got that. So we got our portfolio thing here. What's the margin we used before? So this. So that goes inside the rating. Nice. Plus padding. Okay, so now for our cards, let's see where they are. So we have the card wrap and then 6 cards. So here. Not sure if these pictures are good, but we'll see. This one. These, right? So before we change the pictures, let's just fix them. This, we're gonna add some padding to this container, make it like 20 pixels. I have a bit of margin and cards will be a bit bigger. It's like so, I think. So we got our cards, now we only need to change the background. Should be cake. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Change this to 3. Bullet. What is it? Game, I think. Okay, so the next one. This is 5.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Safe. And submarine again. This is 6. So that's gonna be our portfolio thing. Right here. And also padding that we had here. This is only gonna be padding for the top. For everything. Nice. So we got that part. Now let's switch to about page, I think it is. Yeah, it's about page. Let's go here. Let me see if they have more buttons. Yeah, but they're not really the same. Okay, so then it doesn't really matter. So let's see. Title, we're gonna have the same thing here. Rating and lines. This H1. Our info. You see, let's make this like a paragraph, I think. Let's do these two classes, and both of them are gonna have one paragraph. Fix that. And then for our button, this is gonna say pre-download, and we also need to get an icon. And this one, I think it's this one. Let me see. It should be this one. That's that going. So now we need to style everything. We're just gonna have some padding as well. Alright. Light blue. Then we're gonna have container. So title and rating. Everything's gonna be white here. Yeah, everything. So do that instead. So then we need Where is that? I need to find it. Same margin inside the title and then inside the rating. Then we also have title H1. I'm just gonna grab these. Everything looks the same. Now, let's see. What did I add here? So info, and then we have left and right. See what happened here.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because
I'm not doing this then. For doing that, we're just gonna use, where's my container? Instead of all that, I'm gonna use it here. There we go. And then what have, oh, this is the rating. For the rating, like this, and then our info is gonna have some padding, like 20 pixels. Like so. And our title. So let's make this, not even sure. How big is this? Something like this, and then do the space between. Like so. Then we need some letter spacing for these paragraphs. Letter spacing. Like that. Make it a bit bigger, I think. It's a bit more. Like that. And then the only thing left here is that we need to style this button that we added. So that's inside container only, has a class of BTM. So here. So now we only need some padding and some border radius here. More padding definitely. So maybe more. Something like this. And then inside the button we have the, we're just gonna move this icon a bit. 10 pixels. So let me see. So they do have a, I didn't realize they have a hover on button. Let me grab the color here. So let's add that here. Great. So for the button, we're gonna add hover. Color. Yeah, this is the color, and then we're also gonna add a border here with the same color. Gray, and then we're gonna add some transition for the background and the border. Transition looks nice. Oh, I also need the color, isn't it? There we go. It has some nice transition. Then we have contact page and the footer page. So let's make those. How much are we into the video? 31 minutes? Alright. So let's copy the title we're gonna use. Just copy the whole title. And let's make another section, contact. We're gonna have, let me see, 4 inputs. First, my title, and then under the title here, we're gonna have one more div. Let's call it contact wrap. So now, let's see. So we're gonna have 4 inputs. Alright, so let's see. Need name and ID. We're only gonna use the placeholders here. Let's add email. Those two. This one is gonna be number. And the last one. So we got these. So now we can go back to this page, to our Scss. Yeah, around 100. So let's center everything first here. Do that first. So now, what else do we need? I don't see my lines. I think they are white, yeah, because of this. We need to change that. Let me... I don't know where is that. What's this? I have title, H1, and I'm grading. Oh, line, my bad. Color dark blue here. And what was it rating? Okay, and then where's our icon? That's inside the rating. Alright, we got that. And also inside our title we have each one that we need to style. We're just gonna copy this, put it here. And what's left here? We need our contact wrap, which is inside our container here. We need to align it somewhere. Actually, what did I contact wrap input? Okay, let me see what's wrong here. Because of flex messing up here. Because of this, no. Oh, that's why. So let's make this, I don't know. So something like that, maybe a bit smaller, 680. So let's see, we remove the borders. And let's add some padding on the parent so we can move it from this. Like so, maybe a bit more. For input, we're gonna have border bottom. Then the color, probably, okay, it's the same color. So let's use dark blue then. Right, we need some padding on the inputs. Much padding they have, but actually it might only be padding bottom. Let's try that. Let's do padding bottom. And then let's do a margin. So we need to change. What do we need here actually? Oh, I forgot to add. Oh, this is my bad. This should be not the input. Should be a text area here. We can leave rows. We can remove this. We can add placeholder. What else do we need here? We're also gonna need a button. So let's do the same thing for the place for text area. We have all the same styles, so that's the only thing we need here. And then we're gonna have one button. I don't like the ones they have, so we're gonna make it a bit better, so it actually looks up like a button. Here. We're gonna use width here instead. So, and then on hover, like so, and let's add a transition. See how that works. Maybe a bit more padding here, like so. So that's gonna be our button. Then we're gonna have a footer here. It's our last section. Let's just go. Let's just make 3 cards. So the first one is gonna have some text. So that's our first one. Let's add third one first, because second one is gonna have some icons as well. So we put this link somewhere for now. We're gonna link it to this right now. So our last card, we're also gonna have H2 and let's see, a paragraph again. So our, let me make this a bit bigger right now. So our step bootstrap be a link. and then the dot is gonna go after the link, like so, and then this is the link. Sorry, I can't really type right now. And then for our second card, we're gonna have an H2 and 4 icons. And for the icons, let's get them here. Make sure they're all the same, even if they're not same size. We're gonna add a div here for them. We're gonna call it circle. And each one is gonna have the icon. Facebook, we have Twitter, LinkedIn, and what's the last one? I guess Dribble, I think. Everything for our footer here. We can start styling that. So let me see which color we used on nav. That's the same color our footer is gonna have. And we're also gonna have some padding here. Like so. Then our container. Need to make each card like, let's see, maybe like 30%, I think. Check. Yeah, it's like that. And then we can add another class, but we don't really have to. So all the H2s are gonna have the same styles, and also since everything is white, we're gonna add white here first. Then our H2 is gonna have some margin. Like so. And we actually don't need to change anything on the H2. We need to change this text right here. To align them like this. So our card, it has the icons wrap and then circle inside of it. Make it a bit bigger, maybe 50 or 40. Not really sure. And also we're gonna flex this. And our circles are gonna have a bit of margin, right and left, maybe like 8 pixels. Like so. And then we're gonna use flex here. And that's only because we're gonna center this icon, and it's much easier this way. You can just use margin auto. Enter the icon here inside our circle. They also have the hover, so we're gonna add that. Let's just do background transparent here, just so we can add some transition to it later on. And also do dark blue, doesn't matter. And then what else? They only have background, hover, and color as well. So and the color is gonna be so what else am I missing? The transition. So, and you can also add a cursor pointer. Circle. Let's see what else. This thing here, so card, and then we'll just add a class to this. So we can target that here, cards, and then paragraph. Actually, where's that? Inside the card, and then the footer link. Inside the card. Maybe I need to use a paragraph first. Oh, I don't know why my music stopped. Let's fix that real fast. So we're almost done with this project. Having some issues here. I'm not sure why. Footer link. Let's do that on the top. Maybe I'm missing something. And then we have A inside of that. Yes. So let's just do it here. Something's missing. Okay. Not sure what it really is. That's weird. Works. But this is not getting removed. This doesn't make any sense. Footer link. It's fine then. Not sure why that didn't work. I probably messed up something, but let's do that. Let's do color. Font weight. So we also need some what's the name? Line height again. 1.7, something like this. And then what else did we need to add here? So we can do it under the container. We can do copyright. For that we need one paragraph. Let's grab this thing. I always forget this. Okay, so let's add another color to this. Happening here, we'll fix that. It's because of this. Go on container it, and then this thing is gonna have a bit of padding, like so, maybe a bit more, I'm not sure. And then the background, it's dark blue. This is dark blue. Let's try text. Color it is, maybe they're the same. Oh, footer color, I forgot about that completely. Then we need more padding here. And then the color is going to be white. So we can add a bit of, actually we don't need anything there. So I think we finished the website. Actually I just add the cursor pointer. So let's see, what did we get? So for our portfolio here. So this is our home page. We got the portfolio with our projects. Got some description, probably a button for like a resume. You can download a contact form and our footer here. So we got everything. And also we can do like one small thing here. Do HTML, scroll behavior, smooth, and then we can link these sections. So like portfolio would be this. So if we go back to the nav, let's add hashtag portfolio, hashtag about, like contact. So our portfolio is going to have ID, then we have about and contact. Last one. We should be able to go to page, do portfolio, about, contact, and we have this smooth scrolling with only HTML right now. So yeah, that's our portfolio site we just finished. This was the original template. Yeah, I think we covered up everything. I might have missed something, so if you guys see something that I missed, please let me know, or if there are some issues. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.